This is the guided note video for graphing a line in point-slope form. The learning target is I can graph a line in point-slope form. When graphing lines, slope-intercept form will be our friend. This is because we do not have to simplify or manipulate the given equation in any way. We can just look at the y-intercept and slope and graph it. All we have to do to get a point-slope form equation into slope-intercept form is simplify and get the y by itself. So first off, let's remember the general form of a point-slope form equation. So we have y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And remember, y1, m, and x1 will just be replaced by numbers. So in order to get this equation into slope-intercept form, we will have to distribute or multiply our slope. Remember, our slope is our m to everything in parentheses. Once we have done that, we will need to move y1 away from y. So if we take a look at this general form up here, we're going to distribute our m to get rid of the parentheses, and then we need to take care of this y1. We need to bring it over here, and then the y will be by itself. It'll be in slope-intercept form at that point. Okay, so let's jump right into an example. Okay, so it's all about simplifying. So we've got y minus 4 equals 8 times x minus 1. So first off, we know that it's in point-slope form because x and y are on opposite sides. So that's one reason. Next reason, y is not alone. And our third reason, which isn't always the case, but we do happen to have parentheses. And parentheses is a telltale sign that it's in point-slope form. Okay, so I'll do what I said above. I'll take my slope, which is 8, and I'll distribute. So when we do that, we get y minus 4 equals 8x minus 8. So parentheses are gone. Now to get the y by itself, I need to take care of this minus 4. So I will add 4 to both sides. So when I do that, 4's cancel, so I get y equals 8x, and negative 8 plus 4 is going to be negative 4. So can we graph this line now? We sure can, because it is now in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to start at my y-intercept, which is negative 4. And from there, I'll go up 8 and to the right 1. And I know it goes up from left to right because my slope is positive. So because all my other points will be off the graph, I can connect these 2 points. And I'll extend it in both directions. And then last but not least, I'll add some arrows because this is a line. It does go on forever. So at this point, I would move on to the example video for graphing a line in point-slope form.